That's another. Okay guys, so yesterday I was busy like cleaning up my place and editing and everything, so I ain't vlog it because I didn't feel like it. And I knew if I started vlogging I wouldn't get done. Okay, so my phone just stopped recording for no reason. Stop recording. Anyways, going to pick up my stuff for my job tomorrow, and then we're gonna go do a Target run. Yeah, I missed when I was talking about my hair and everything. My hair. I was just saying that I like a press that's been like hair that's been pressed for a little bit, like 2-week-old press or whatever, because it's like your hair's got a little bit of product and oil and stuff in there, and it's not as flat, like it has a little bit more body. The older it gets, at least to me, I think it does. So everything from Target, I picked up my kit. I guess the next thing I need to do is go to the grocery store real quick, I guess. Or let me see if I can pawn this TV real quick. Is there like a pawn shop around here? I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay guys, let me, oh, it's windy. I see all that. I'm gonna see if they, oh. Okay. Okay guys, jeez Louise. Thank you. Hi, do you guys take TVs?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, right here? Okay. Okay.
With the remote.
With the remote, of course. Yes. Okay, well then, how about I just take this? I'll bring it back with the remote and everything, and
right.
That's what we'll do. I can't believe I forgot the remote. I forgot
no,
everything. Okay, guys. So, I don't know if I got all the footage in there. So I was trying to be conspicuous or whatever. But yeah, my dumb ass forgot the remote. But now that I know how much they'll give me, like $40 for it, that's not bad at all. I thought it was gonna be like less than that. So since it's a smart TV with Roku, I for it. I'm like, hey, yes, money. Anyways, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go get the remote real quick, and then yeah. But I'm supposed to be going out to eat with a friend, so I'll probably do it afterwards. Yeah, that'll work. Well, I'll do it afterwards. But now that I know how much I'm going to get for it, it's not like a complete waste of time. So I'm here for it. Let's go. It's hella windy. It's like not busy in there either. They just like just sitting there waiting. Like, anybody coming in here? But I'm glad I came to that one, because it seemed like the other ones that I looked up on Google, they had bad reviews, and I was like, I don't want to be at no rat. Well, now I know I'm gonna come here. I'm like right up the way too. I'm gonna come right up here, and yeah. Okay, guys, it's kind of warm out there. Listen, it's January and it's like 70, baby. I'm not complaining. It's just, you know, it's a little warm. Is all I'm saying. I bought clothes for winter. But yes, I finally got that out of the way. Sorry guys, I was thirsty. Finally got that out of the way. Got a little $40 or whatever. A little $40. I'll take the $40 or whatever. Because it's $40. It's $40, okay? Gas money, because you know these gas prices and these grocery prices are disrespectful right now. So $40. It's $40. I got the air on, child. It says 79 on my car. Even though Coco, she likes to act like it's let me scratch this off my list since I'm at a red light. See, I got my list that I wanted to scratch off. I still got some things to scratch on and off. To scratch off, not on. But do you guys get that, like, for those who do make to-do lists, do you guys feel like this therapeutic satisfaction when you scratch something off your list? I like do it extra because it makes me just feel better. I'm like, okay, I got that done. Got that done. This bottle is literally like the best thing ever. I'll link it down below where I got it. Amazon, of course. But yeah, I'm go ahead and head on and get ready to go get something to eat, and I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, so I am about to head on to my part-time job. Running a little bit late, as usual, because it's all the way in Plano or whatever. Sampling some rum today, I think. I don't know, we'll see. But hopefully I'm running just a little bit late because I decided to film a video before. So yeah, I just wanted to film that video before, and I kind of wanted to put some makeup on, I guess, to, you know, finally look cute going somewhere, because I haven't put on makeup in like forever. And the weather here is atrocious today. It was so beautiful yesterday, but it's horrible today. It's horrible. Hella windy out there. Hella windy. It's really windy and it's cold. You see, yesterday when I was at the pawn shop, it was like 70 something degrees. It's like 39 right now. Ridiculous. I will see you guys at the liquor store.
Yeah. Work. To me, I be work. See me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk a line. In the cafe, drive me at it.
Y'all, this light is disrespectful. Oh my gosh. Disrespectful. Okay, now I gotta find what I'm looking for. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know where the Zacapa's at?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, of course.
How can I help you with?
The Zacapa?
Is it like a tequila or
I think it's a rum.
rum?
Okay, so I found it. So let's go ahead and just get set up.
Yeah. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a rush. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I'ma sleep for decoration. You mistaken with love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, before the table turn.
follow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just...
Oh my gosh, the disrespect of this weather. I'm at the gas station. Got some gas, but now I'm frozen. Completely frozen. So the event, I was recording, but at least I thought I was. But anyways, the event went well. That last hour went a little bit, well, it always goes by too slow because I'm always just like, it's just 3 hours. But that last hour, I'm like, the first 2 hours just breeze by. And then that last hour, it's like, why are you not 5 o'clock yet? So, yes, I am about to head on home. I've already filmed a video. Did a little event to get a little bit of extra coin today. Yeah, I filmed a video, made some money. I think I was productive enough today. I'm gonna go home and just chill and have a movie night, to be honest with you. Just chill or watch football. Yeah. Both. Why not? But yeah, that is the goal. So I just need to figure out what I'm going to eat because your girl is hungry. She's extra hungry. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I will see you guys once I'm warmed up, or maybe they'll probably like the next day. If I don't see you guys tonight, which I probably won't film tonight if I'm just gonna be chilling and watching the movies or whatever. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think I have a few errands to run tomorrow. So yeah, peace. It's Sunday now, and I've been actually chilling and everything all day, but I'm going to cook some dinner. I was watching the game. Cowboys lost. Go figure. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and cook some dinner because I'm a little hungry. Got a little rumble in the tummy. So I'm just going to go ahead and film that process or whatever. So I will let the cooking commence.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I own. I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a cut. I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break. Better way. Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.
I gotta work on my plating presentation a little bit, but yeah, this about to be fire. And just look at, yeah, see how that's the meatball. It's about to be bomb. It's about to be bomb. I like to eat my spaghetti or any type of pasta with like salad, so I just got some Caesar salad here on the side. And yeah, I'm about to tear this up, y'all. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching me on my journey and everything like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat and chill and probably get ready to just get ready for work, which I don't gotta do much because I've already packed up and everything like that. So honestly, I'm just gonna chill, honestly. So yes, vlog finished. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, hey. Mom and Dad's only daughter.